Okay guys, so I'm going to show you some things that I buy from Walmart to use in my mobile detailing setup. Just camera around. Okay, so see these right here? The one I have in my van, in my setup is I think they're right here. Right. One of this one and one of this one I have in my detailing setup. But you guys could choose whatever you want to choose. But like this one, yeah, just like this black one and the white one. That's what I use in my detailing setup. I take this one off because you could take them piece by piece. You could lift this one up and you have these two sections to use. You could match and mix if you want. And also I'm thinking about getting a few of these too. Look at these small ones right here. You could use these in your mobile detailing setup. See, look at these small ones. These are nice. So these are ideas you can use in your mobile detailing setup. And then I'm gonna get this for hot and cold. This is very good. Okay guys, these air freshener you guys could put in the cars when you wash them, and then you could refill them. These are some good air freshener. The one I have in my car, something similar to these. Then you clip them on the air vent, and then when the wind comes, it works very well. See? Walmart got a lot of stuff in here you can use in your mobile detailing setup. See all the different brands. Also guys, check this out. See that? Nice. Did it at Walmart. This one, $8.99. This one, $14.99. Voila, we got a setup. Chemical guy right here. Look at this. The kit. You can get the kit at Walmart to detail your car. See the price? Very good.